This video is sponsored by Fizzgun Hosting. If you're looking for the perfect place to kickstart your development journey, look no further than Fizzgun Hosting. They offer a comprehensive range of services that are designed to meet your development needs. Even if you're not a professional scripter or Gmod developer, they have over $500 worth of free add-ons available at the click of a button. Fizzgun Hosting provides three default packages. These packages include Starter, Growing Community, and Turbo. These packages offer a variety of features and resources to suit your requirements. However, if you have specified needs, don't worry. Fizzgun Hosting also offers a custom option allowing you to tailor your package and add exactly what you need. One of the great things about Fizzgun Hosting is their vibrant and supportive community. They have a dedicated Discord server where developers and enthusiasts come together to share their knowledge and help each other out. And it doesn't stop there. Fizzgun Hosting also caters to other popular game hosting options, such as Rust and Minecraft. Additionally, they provide web hosting and dedicated server hosting services, giving you a comprehensive platform for all your hosting needs. You can even host your own Discord bot. And here's the best part. As a special thanks to you, my viewers, Fizzgun Hosting has provided a discount code exclusively for you. When you make a purchase, use code SENTU2023 to get a whopping 35% off your order. I'm truly grateful to Fizzgun Hosting for their support in making this video possible. So if you're ready to embark on an exciting development journey, I highly recommend checking out Fizzgun Hosting. The link is in the description below along with my discount code for you to take advantage of. Now let's get back to the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going back to our websites and to our add-ons for Gary's Mod. So the next one we're going to be looking at is Cosmo. Cosmo is another website, has more things, again has a forums, has a store, community, and also has like this nice little admin panel that comes with it. So I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set this up. There's going to be a lot of waiting when it comes to download or installing Cosmo. Yeah, it's quite a bit of files, but this current version that we're going to be working with is 1.9.3. So we're gonna go ahead and do this right now. Alright, first thing we're going to do is actually make an SQL database. Actually, we could do that in a second. We're going to go ahead and start actually installing the files. I have WordPress installed on the server already. If you don't know how to do that, you can look up a separate video on that. But let's go ahead and do Cosmo now. Yeah, quite a bit of files. Just files inside of files inside of files. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. So we're going to open up Cosmo, and we're going to go ahead and take all of these files, and we're going to launch it inside our main file, which is our howtogmodserver.site. So now I'm going to go ahead and just send that in there. Let it get ready to go. I believe it was like 8,000 to 9,000 files. So it's quite a bit of waiting. Yes, we want it to override. Always use that action. Alright, let's go ahead and make our database. So we're going to go ahead and give our database a name real quick. Let's go ahead and just do, I don't know, how Gmod site database. Right, then we choose our host name. Mine is already there. I'm going to be blocking all this out. Let's see. Have our new user right here. See, now we got to set up a password. I'll set that up in a second. And then after we have all that done, make sure and add a new database. Want to do that. Alright. So it's going to be a bit. So we'll see how long this takes. I will be right back with y'all after this file is done. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, we're back, and yeah, it was quite a bit of files that finished, but it finally finished. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and open up the site. And this is what it's going to bring us to. It's going to be welcome to Cosmo. So let's go ahead and begin the setup. So we're missing one thing, which is GMP. Everything else is fine, but that's an easy fix. we need to first go into our manage our thing, manage our file manager. And now this won't most likely won't be the same for you, but DreamHost has its, well, it basically has its PHP in a file to be able to enable it. So PHP, the current version I have is 8.1, and then I need to go to the PHP-RC and edit. So next thing I need to do is add a line of code. I believe it's just extension equals GMP. So go ahead and save that. Close that. Save it one more time. Alright. Let it refresh this. And now it should fix once we load in. In setup, yep, you can see GMP is now enabled. If any of these aren't enabled for your server, I'm not sure how to fix these. I just know how to fix this one. But you could probably just search it up and it'll probably help you and tell you. File manager, everything's working. Directory storage, and I'm going to continue. Now this is where we set up our SQL. You're going to have your community name. Mine just say, I'm just going to name mine. Right? We have our website URL, which should automatically be there. We're going to put our database in here, so let's see. I'm gonna go to my manage, and then I'm gonna go to my info right here. I'm gonna block all this out. And then I need to go back. This one was the host name, so I need to put the database host. Gonna put that in there. Got the username right here. We need the password for it. So I believe that in this one I need to go into my actual database. Make more time. Manage. That's not what I wanted to do. Login info. When I get this, put it in. Database name, basically the name of your database. I don't have right now, and this is why I needed to go back into the SQL database. We could actually get here. Here we go. Need to see. I believe this is it. Copy the name, database name, put it right there, and then you need your Steam API key, which I already have. Which I'm just gonna go put in. And then we could now install Cosmo. It's going to take a couple seconds, going to look for all the SQL data, and now we're actually in. Awesome. Right. So we got a couple things here. First thing we're going to have is our home page, which we're going to have lorem 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, this is features, basically, and this is all dummy text, as it says right here. It's simple dummy text. Dark RP, Star Wars RP, these are basic servers and connected somewhere. So let's go ahead and log into our Steam. Now that we're logged in, you're going to see your username, obviously. But that's not the important part. The important part is if your management, or if you have it, which if you're watching this episode, you're wondering how to set up, you have your profile, and then now you have the management. This is a admin panel, which I'm going to go ahead and switch to dark mode. And now this is where you're going to edit your server. You're going to have settings, other user management, etc., etc. Gmod store API key. Let's see. We could do integrations. Let's see what else can we do in general. Let's see, we have our header. The header is basically this part right there. So I could just do like Yeah, header description. A simple website with Cosmo, right? Now we can go ahead and save this. So if we go ahead and refresh this, now we have our thing right here. Yeah, you could just go through all this, see what you want to change. Next thing, let's go ahead. Let's say we don't like the theme. Let's switch our theme. What else do we have? Let's see. Purity, Laura, however, in I'm just gonna say this dark. Let's go here. Yeah, let's refresh this. There we go. I believe you can change this how you want it though, how users, if they want to. You could get rid of all this stuff where it says TBD scripts if y'all don't want it. You got your store. You got your like darker P store, VIP. I mean, this is for a different server, but yeah. Let's see. What else do we have? For your sales and packages. This is pretty neat. This is why I like Cosmo. So you could name, let's just say like perma weapon, right? It's really easy with this. Package image, select server. You can select your server, darker P, package category, set a description, a weapon, right? So then we have package options. We could do permanent package, right? Custom price, can purchase more than once. We're gonna do permanent package, right? And then this is where it's cool. We could do permanent weapons. You just put the weapon class, which you could just do right click on a weapon and then copy, and then you could do give on every spawn. And then you could create it, and whoever gets it saves it for them. You get darker P levels, point shop points, point shop to standard, credits, user group, darker P money, console command. Like, it's really nice how this is set up. It makes it really easy for you. So if you don't want to use something like Tibex, this is really the all-in-one. Alright. Then we have the forms. First things first, I could go profile. We're set to user right now, but we get to go like, we find it. Believe it's, if we edit ourselves, we can make a display name back signature. Just say like owner, right? Other things you could like, I believe you could change the color of it. I'm not, here it is. You just make it like red. Right, there's my signature. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a role too. We got roles. You just do like name owner. Not sure what this second name is for. It's just kind of there. See, I believe there's, yeah, select all. Alright, display people. There we go. Now we have an owner. Edit this. Did it not save? It did not save. Let's remove it and remake it then. Now we have it, right? We could edit, leave. Yep. So now we could go to users, and we believe we could click on our name, and we could just give ourselves the owner role. Yep. There we go. Then we could create, or we could ban users here, components, navigation links. We have our home form store. So if we don't want the ZO link, you just delete that, or the purchase Cosmo or any of this. Let's see, TBD. There we go. So now if we go ahead and refresh this, see everything is here. So now if we go back into our thing over here, it says we have administrator, but it's not saying our owner. That's fine. It's just a thing to mess around with. Let's see, what else do we have? So again, we have the forms. I like the look of the forms. Announcement. We have the welcome. And there. Now we have our owner. You can see right here. It says administrator right here. Then you could lock your thread, obviously. Then you could pin it. Don't I think it? Well, I think it was already pinned. Yeah, it was already pinned. Basically, you could do everything right there. So I really like this. You can see all your staff. You can see all your users. Yeah, I generally just really like Cosmo. It's a really nice thing. Chat box, unlike Ember, it don't think it glitches. Yeah, it doesn't glitch. You could make polls. There's no polls active, I believe, right now, so it doesn't really matter. You can make announcements. You can make coupon codes. Let's see, we could do like VIP coupon code owner, right? Percent off 50. Use amount 1. Start date. What's today? Like right now until like on the 10th of July, right? Create that. Uses and expire date. So let's go ahead and test that now. So we go dark P. You do like check out this, and then we can put on owner. Right. Then we could buy it for a price. But I don't think you're able to do that, so this is not an actual thing. You have a term of service that you can make. Yeah. So yeah. Pretty nice. Let's go ahead and check out another thing. Honestly, I don't know why you would do it, but there's a maintenance mode. So now we're in maintenance mode, so if we go ahead and reload this, we could see maintenance mode active. So we just won't be able to check this thing out. Kind of. Nope. I know it takes a few seconds after you disable or enable maintenance again, or disable maintenance until you're actually able. Nope, never mind. It was instant that time. Sometimes it's instant, sometimes it's not. But yeah, that's basically Cosmo. If you have any questions or if you want me to look over any other Gmod add-ons, go ahead and leave a like and comment down in the description of what you want. Yeah, if it would really help me out. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Talk to you tomorrow. Later.